I wish I knew this sooner. The best way to start the autumn season is with a bowl of this refreshing turkey pepper soup, packed with flavor and nutrients. I added my turkey to the pot, well cleaned and seasoned with bouillon cube, blended pepper and onions, and I let that cook down slowly till the flavor really come together. Now my turkey is tender, I added my blended pepper soup spice, calabash, nutmeg, uda, and a bit of grounded crayfish for that rich traditional taste. I also added the remaining pepper and onions. I also threw in some leftover meat from the fridge because we don't waste good protein over here. This is the entire game changer of this turkey pepper soup. I added my corn into it because why not? It had the perfect bites. And some unripe plantains. Rounding up, I garnish it with dry scent leaves, and yeah, our cozy autumn pepper soup is ready. Come and join me.